Hey, what's up you guys? It's Bam. So how's your day going? That's good. And if your day's going bad, hope it gets better. Sorry, I was running around trying to get this set up, you know, sweet tea. I will show you everything I got and then we'll get started. I'm eating Harper's. I've done this once for my mukbang and that's it. So I have fries and a burger and some ketchup. And in here is a salad. It's just a basic salad. Sorry. Let me move my drink. Okay. Just a basic salad. It has ham, cheese, ranch, croutons, lettuce, and some other veggies. Can't remember what I all put in it. Let me move the camera so you can see all the food. There you go. You can see the fries. I'm moving this way so you can see them. There we go. But I was the one who drove me, my stepmom, and my brother to Harper's to get it. So it was pretty fun. So I'm going to tell you what I've done this weekend. And we're just going to talk and eat. My favorite thing to have on salad in salad is croutons. I'm just going to be eating back and forth. So what did y'all do this weekend? This burger has everything on it. Pickles, onions. I chopped an onion. Mustard. But they didn't give me cheese, so I had to put cheese on it myself. Hang on, they put this tomato really thick, so I had to move it. We haven't had Harper's in like forever. Probably since I filmed the last video, to be honest. I was gonna have a special guest enter, but they aren't answering, so. I'm debating on whether I want to keep the comments on or off. Because I love all the nice comments, but I ain't about that life. I'm reading all the bad ones. So, Friday night, I came home. I'm basically just going to tell you my whole weekend. And if you don't want to hear, click out. And if you don't want to hear, stay tuned. Sorry, I am right-handed, so my hand is over my face when I'm trying to eat my salad. Sorry if it's annoying. Oh, I have something else to tell y'all too. But I'll wait till I tell y'all what I did today. Okay, so Friday night, rode the bus home. I got home at like 3:50. And I was gonna go to the football game with some friends, but I got really tired and I didn't even mean to, but I fell asleep. And I did not wake up until 12 in the night at night. I didn't eat supper. I just slept. And so I slept. When I got up at 12, I tried to live stream. It wouldn't work. And a lot of y'all don't like, like videos better because they're not laggy, and I totally understand. So then I was just up till 1 o'clock, and then I was like, screw it, I'm really tired still somehow, and I went back to sleep. Then comes Saturday. Saturday was so fun. So I woke up Saturday morning at 8. And I'm just chilling, watching YouTube from the night before because I didn't have time to, because I fell asleep. Well, I didn't know my stepmom was supposed to be up at 8, and she didn't get up till 11. And we had my grandpa's birthday to go to out at the lake. And we still had to pack some stuff up because we're moving. We still haven't found a house though. So we packed up some stuff, and then we went to the store. She made a cake. And we went out to Port Oliver, we went out to the place. To the lake. Sorry. Keep trying to talk with my mouth full. And what was I saying? Hang on, I'm gonna eat for a minute. I'm not trying to speed. I'm not trying to speed through this conversation because I don't want it to like be a quick video. I want to like spend some time with y'all. And I have a lot of food to eat. Did anybody watch the Mayweather and Conor McGregor fight? I didn't watch it, but I saw like who won and stuff. I think Mayweather won. I can't remember. I'm not into boxing. I'm more into like Little League Baseball. My face gets so red, and I'm not even hot. Like, I'm actually cold. They have so much freaking onion on this thing. So, like I was saying, we went out to the lake. And we got there. I was playing with my cousins. One of them's 4, and the other one's like 3 or 2. And excuse me. We were just playing, and we were gonna go kayaking because I've only been kayaking in the ocean. I've never been in the lake, and I've never went on those kind of kayaks that my grandpa had. So we were gonna go. We went first. Before we ate supper, me, my stepmom, and my stepsister, we all went down to the swimming hole. There's like a swimming hole that you can go to, and there's like nobody there. So we went there, we went swimming, we got out, dried off, put our clothes back on, and we went to go eat. We stayed up, so we got there about 3. We swam till about 4. We stayed up at the where we were eating until like probably 5:30, 6 o'clock. And then me, my sister, my stepsister, we, me, her, my uncle, my aunt, and my stepmom were in the swimming hole. We were just chilling. And then they brought the kayaks. They were 1-person kayaks. And we all went kayaking. And I was nervous because mine wasn't stable, because it wasn't the one that was from Walmart, and the one that was from Walmart was more stable, I guess that's what they said. And so then I went swimming for about 2 or 3 more hours. I'm just playing with my little cousins because they're so adorable. And then it got dark. Sorry. It got dark. And so we packed up all of our stuff and we went home. When I got home, I watched YouTube, went to bed. I woke up this morning at 8:30, 9 o'clock-ish. 8:45 maybe, and just chilled. And then my stepmom and my little sister woke up. Then me and my stepmom drove to go get boxes because we were going to do some packing today. Then I drove to go get me and my little sister some breakfast. I was driving. Excuse me. And then when we got home, I ate breakfast. And then I was packing until like an hour ago. And then I drove me and my stepmom and my brother to go get food. And now I'm here with you guys. That is how my weekend went. And when I get done filming, probably gonna get this started to upload. Maybe. I don't know yet. I'll probably take a shower, listen to music with my iPad before I upload. Then when I get done, I'll probably clean my room. Or I might clean my room before, just so I'm done with it. Then I'll get a shower, lay in bed, let this upload, watch some YouTube, and then go to bed and go to school tomorrow. But we have a lot of stuff packed up. We want to move so bad. But it's hard finding a house. So, I have a video idea for you guys. And I want to do it. If you want me to do this video idea, and it's a secret, you guys can't know, I can't tell you what it is. If you want me to do this video idea, comment down below, and I'll do it. I've had this idea for like almost 5 months now, and I haven't done it because I haven't like really thought about it, but I've been thinking about it a lot recently. Oh. So, if y'all want me to do that, tell me. Sorry. Salads fill me up so quick. I think there's a bruiser hair in my food. Yep. My dog's hair gets in my food all the time. Because it's on my clothes. Look at how red that tomato is. Drop my onions. I'm such a messy eater. Comment down below if you've been here since my last Harper's video. And if you have, I'll give you a shout out in my next video. And don't lie. Because I don't like liars. That's how much food I have left. And I have a lot of salad left, it feels like. I feel like there's just a lot of cheese and ham. I'm so full. Ooh. Fries and cheese. Oh my god. I'm so full. I don't know what I was gonna say. I'm so thirsty. My throat's been hurting bad. I think I need to drink some water. Like, I don't think I've had any water today because I've been cleaning. I'm too full. I gotta keep eating. If this video can get 100 likes, ow, fudge. If this video can get 100 likes before next weekend, I'll make a video with my brother. But if you don't get 100 likes, he's not going to be in the next video. So, I think I'm going to start filming on Sundays. And then after we move, I'll film a lot more, trust me. It's just been so hectic. But yeah. Where's my dress go? Oh, I'm just kidding. When I get, like, tired, I just get, like, so delusional. My burger's falling apart. Low-key. One more bite, and then I'm done. Well, I'm going to end the video there. If you enjoyed, please smash that thumbs up button and subscribe, because I make new videos whenever I want. Hopefully every Sunday. Love you guys. I'll see you back here Sunday, hopefully. I love you guys. Keep smiling. Keep loving. I love you. Bye.